To prevent your S Pen from being used for navigation gesture on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. While navigation bar is set to swipe gesture, tap more option. And then tap the gray on offset next to block gesture with S Pen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will prevent your S Pen from being used for navigation gesture. This helps to avoid accidental navigation gesture while drawing or writing near the edge of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.